Do you guys know you can control your PC with just your mobile? Let's talk how you can do that. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So other day I just created this video that there is an app called RustDesk. I just made that video and you guys just loved it. Thank you so much for that. That was video about that how you can control multiple PCs with a single app that has no kind of security issues. This video is kind of extended version of that video. Now I'm going to share that how you can control your PC with your Android phone. So I am going to share the details how you can control your PC with your mobile phone. So let's get started. So guys, we already know about this app. So again, the link will be in the description down below. The process is just same, and if you want to control your PC with your mobile phone, just install the RustDesk application on your PC that you want to control, and I have explained everything in my other video. The link will be up here in the cards and the description down below as well. And to control your PC via mobile, just install the application on your PC that you want to control, and you will be seeing ID over here. That is the ID of the target device that you want to connect. And the next thing you need to do, just go to the rustdesk.com. I will be sharing the link in the description down below as well, and click on the download. It will redirect you to the GitHub page where you can download this application. So basically we are looking for the Android version. You can click on this universal, or you can any of these, and the application will start downloading. This is basically an APK file. So once this downloaded, just install on your Android phone, and let me show you the how it does look on the Android phone. So guys, here we are in my Android phone. Basically the screen recording will be side by side. So in the remote ID, we are going to add our ID that is going to be the same ID of our target device. In case this is going to be my ID, definitely it's blur. You don't need to share this ID with anyone. And also I have already told you that in that video you need to enable you to go to the security and click on the unlock security. Just scroll down into the password section and use the permanent password. So in that case you don't need to deal with the one-time password every time. So just set your main password, and wherever you want to log in that your target device, just use that permanent password and it will get you through. So to log in to this my device, like this PC that currently I'm recording on, so I'll be entering my ID. Currently it's over there. So why it's over there? Because I have already connected that in a minute. So what I will do, I just click on this arrow button and it will start connecting, as you can see, and we'll be also showing a pop-up over there that our device has just requested the access. So I'm going to enter my password. So as I have entered my password, now it is directly connected to the device. Okay, so currently as you can see, the device is in the portrait, but I can go to the landscape mode by just clicking and going to the landscape mode. Let me reset recording. So as you can see, I am in my mobile phone and I can control now my PC from here using the mobile touch. Currently in the setting in the mouse that we have over here, I can change my touch, that how it should behave with the computer. I can go to the mouse mode. If I go to the mouse mode, if I touch on my cell phone, it will start moving my mouse. Guys, just a very small correction, it will not move my mouse, it will just move my cursor. But I personally love that it should go to in the touch mode. In the touch mode, basically it's behave like just like a touchpad. Let me hide this panel, and if I click over here, and you can see now it's controlling everything. And let me go to the notepad, and we have the on-screen keyboard. So I'm here. You are awesome, guys. So anyway, there is a typo anyway. So the thing is, this is how you can control your PC using the RustDesk app. Just let me know, did you like this video or not? And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below.